Everyone, hi, this is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay, today we're gonna make a breakfast toast, and it's gonna be made with some eggs and avocados. So come on, come cook with me. Okay guys, so the only ingredients that you're gonna need is some bread of your choice. This is what I had in the fridge, so that's what I'm using. And you need an avocado and 2 eggs and salt and pepper. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, you guys, is I'm just gonna cut the middle part of the bread out, okay, because we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna put the egg in the center of this bread. Okay, gonna make it look all fancy. Well, I'm gonna try to anyways. Okay, so just cut the center out. Okay. Ooh, did I get that corner? Okay, I got it. All right, guys, something fun to do. You can do this with your kids if you want. And we can put the bread to the side, so if you want to use it afterwards, you can. Okay, and this is what I'm looking for right here. Okay, we're gonna go to the skillet with this. All right, let's go to the skillet and bring your eggs. Okay guys, so I sprayed the bottom of the pan before the pan got hot. Okay, so I sprayed it with the cooking oil, and it's better to spray it before it gets hot. Okay, and then you let it get hot after you spray, then let the pan get hot. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna add the bread that we cut out. See, that's the bread. Okay, so let's add one. Let's see what both fit. Will they both fit? I hope so. Okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, and then we're gonna put the egg, crack the egg. Okay, put my egg in there. I want to make something really cute for breakfast. Okay, let me get a fork. I want to make the egg yolk go all the way around because I like it all over my egg, not just in one spot. Okay, I'm gonna get my top to the skillet, but first, a pinch of salt and some pepper. Okay, all right. And I want my egg to get like poached, like, so I'm gonna put the lid up. Okay, it's been 1 minute, but it's not the way I want it. I need it to cook just a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna give it another 2 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna take the top off. Let me put the lid over here. So I turn the stove off. Okay, all right, so this is the way I want it. Okay, yeah, just like that. Let's look at the back. Let's see, the back is, yes, see that? It's ready. That's the way I like mine. Okay, see you guys? Nice breakfast. Don't that look good? Okay, all right, let's put it in the plate. All right, you guys, let's go make a plate. Okay guys, so the next thing we're gonna do for the breakfast toast, that's what I'm gonna call it. It's not a sandwich. Okay, so breakfast toast. Okay, but you can make it into a sandwich. Okay, oh wait, I think I'm gonna put them the other way, huh? Hold on. You just add your avocados. Hold on. Try to do it neat. I want the yellow to show some though. Okay. Back it up. All right, like that. I think that's how I want it. Okay, just like that. You can put as much as you want on yours. I love avocados, so I like a lot on mine. Okay, and there you have it. You have a delicious egg toast with avocados. And that's it, you guys. Very quick and easy breakfast to make. Okay, let's make her look pretty. Okay, all right. And there you have it. It's done, you guys. You have a breakfast toast, breakfast egg toast with avocado. Okay, and if you want, you can just flip it and turn it into a sandwich. Okay, you guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. And there you have it. A breakfast toast with avocado. Breakfast egg toast with avocados. There you have it.